Hear a humming noise while driving? Or is it your car vibrating more than it should? Don't ignore it. It could turn into a much bigger repair. Welcome to Blue Gum Auto Garage, Nairobi. Today we worked on this Toyota Premio 260. The customer complained of a loud humming noise, and our inspection revealed a worn-out wheel hub bearing. We replaced it with a new one, bringing back a smooth and quiet ride. While inspecting the vehicle, we also found a worn engine mount that was causing excessive vibration. After replacing it, the engine was stable and the vibration was gone. That's why we always carry out a complete inspection, not just to fix the reported problem, but to help prevent future breakdowns. If your car is making strange noises or vibrating, visit Blue Gum Auto Garage, Nairobi for professional diagnosis and quality repairs. Call us on 0724 216 323. That's 0724 216 323. Kama kawa, fundi ni mjamo. Karibuni Blue Gum Auto Garage.